All parties Hurriyat conference has asserted that India's refusal to address the Kashmir dispute has jeopardized the political and legal rights of the people of the occupied Kashmir and the peace of the entire South Asian region. According to Kashmir Media Service, APHC spokesman Advocate Abdul Rashid Minhas, in a statement issued in Srinagar, said that Jammu and Kashmir is an internationally recognized disputed territory. Members of the civil society have urged India to end the unlawful occupation of the occupied Kashmir and allow the Kashmiri people to exercise their fundamental right of self-determination. According to a report released by the research section of Kashmir Media Service, civil society representatives convened in Srinagar to emphasize the restoration of the Articles 370 and 35A in their original form. An article published in the India-based web portal The Wire criticizes the Modi-led Indian government's approach to Kashmir, stating that it fails to address the deep-seated discontent brewing in the occupied Kashmir. According to Kashmir Media Service, titled "The Modi Government Must Engage with Kashmir," the article highlighted the stark disparity between the claims of peace and prosperity in the occupied Kashmir and the ground reality. Failure of the Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi to address the pressing concerns in the occupied Kashmir has drawn the criticism from the Telegraph India. According to Kashmir Media Service, occupied Kashmir, which has been without an elected government for 6 years, has only witnessed 2 local polls during this period. People's Democratic Party President Mehbooba Mufti has emphasized the paramount importance of unity to thwart the Narendra Modi-led regime's attempts to undermine the identity and aspirations of the people of the occupied Kashmir. According to Kashmir Media Service, addressing the media men in Srinagar, Mufti underscored the need for a collective voice. Ajay Kumar Sadhotra, National Conference Additional General Secretary and former minister, has expressed grave concern over the worsening unemployment crisis in the occupied Kashmir. According to Kashmir Media Service, in a public rally held in Vijaypur, Jammu, Sadhotra sharply condemned the BJP for unemployment, particularly among the youth of the occupied Kashmir.